Hey guys, Brendan and Sean here. Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to register your domain name. Okay, in this example I'm going to go with NameCheap.com because I've personally used NameCheap and for about a year plus now. Previously I was a GoDaddy user. The reason why I highly recommend NameCheap is because first, the interface is very simple, very slick, and not cluttered, just the way I like it. Second of all is NameCheap. They come with free WhoisGuard. Okay, WhoisGuard is simply a way to people can't find out your domain, the owner of the domain, with a WhoisGuard on. Okay, so NameCheap provides that service for free for the first year. Okay, and subsequently I think about $3, $2.88 or something like that. Okay, so that's reason number 2. Reason number 3 is the beauty of NameCheap is that they don't, each time you buy a domain or or you renew a domain, they don't upsell you as much as compared to, say, GoDaddy. GoDaddy is known for their upsells, and I don't really like that. Okay, especially when you have tons of domains to renew every single year. That's just a pain. So that's why I shifted to NameCheap, and I highly recommend you go with NameCheap. But it's up to you. If you already have GoDaddy, it's not a problem. Okay, there are many other domain names to buy from other sites. But in this example, let's go with NameCheap. So here I am at NameCheap.com. Now, first of all, when you're on this page, all you have to do is go to this search bar here, enter domain or keyword to search. Okay, in this case, I've already inserted your keyword rich domain. Okay, let me just give you an example first. Your keyword rich domain.com. Okay, so tips when choosing a domain name. What you always do for Amazon niche site, you're always going to aim for example, the product. I'm going to go with garbage disposal in this example. Say garbage disposal plus reviews. Okay, in this case, so you should go for a domain that goes like this: garbage disposal reviews.com. Okay, or if .com, the first tip is, when choosing a domain, you should always aim for a .com. Always aim for .com. Okay, the perceived value from a .com is usually higher, although there's not much difference in my experience, not much of a difference compared to other domain name extensions. Okay, so first of all, you should always go for a .com, and then followed by a .org, and then a .net. Okay, these 3 top level domain extensions. Okay, and you should always avoid .info. Okay, in my experience though, there's not much of a I mean, I've bought a few .infos myself, and I see no problem with it. But a lot of people, they always say, .info is not trusted and Google doesn't like them and all that. So, well, I can't say for sure, but I would try to avoid a .info. Okay, so I always aim for a .com, a .org, and then followed by a .net. Okay, so in this example, I've entered okay, let's say we're going garbage disposal reviews.com. Okay, if the .com is taken, you should go for your garbage disposal reviews.net, followed .org first, and then .net. If that's taken, what I suggest is you do a you insert a V or an X at the very end of the domain of the keyword. Okay, for example, garbage disposal reviews X.com. Okay, or garbage disposal reviews V.com. The reason for this is that in the eyes of the search engine, I can't remember where I read this, and X and V at the very end of a keyword domain, that in the eyes of Google, they will ignore this X or V at the very end. So it is equivalent to a keyword rich domain, equivalent to a domain that does not have an X or a V behind it. So your garbage disposal reviews.com is equivalent to garbage disposal reviews X.com. Okay, it's the same thing. So I'll aim for that, an X or a V. Okay, remember that. And then as usual, if that's the .com is taken, go for the .org, and then find the .net. Okay, and now if those X and V are taken, what you can do is go for hyphen keyword. Say garbage disposal reviews, you'll go garbage hyphen disposal hyphen reviews .com, followed by .org and .net as usual. Okay, so once again, just to recap, always go for .com, .net followed by .org and then .net, and then if that's all those three are taken, go for a V or an X at the very end of the keyword reach domain, X and V, and .com, .org or .net in that order. And if that's taken, go for hyphens. Hyphens, again, let me show you. Hyphens would be like this. Oops, sorry. Okay, so it would be like garbage disposal reviews.com. Okay, it's something like this. And in the eyes of the eyes of the search engine, hyphens mean nothing. Okay, so you might want to aim for a hyphen, a domain name with hyphens, or a V or an X behind, or without all that. Okay, so those are those are my tips for choosing domain. And if you were to purchase any other courses out there, they're going to teach you the same thing as well. Okay, and I learned some of these tips from paid courses as well, and they do work. I mean, all this domain, they do get a lot of Google love. Okay, if that's what you want to call it. So alright, so once you choose a domain name, you click search to check the availability of the domain. Okay, so I'm just going to click search. Okay, so your keyword-rich domain.com is available now. Then you just simply click add to cart, and you will be brought to the registration page, just like this. You just click it. Okay, here we are. Okay, once you click the shopping cart, just go through the shopping cart again. This is register your keyword rich domain. This will be a domain, and then your fee 1069 is ICANN fee, registration fee, and then the free WhoisGuard 1 year at zero. Okay, so it's free. Remember, it's free the first year, and then you don't need this add value at hosting, because we're going to go get hosting from HostGator. Okay, so I don't get hosting, don't add any extra stuff. This will do. Okay, now very important here, before you hit the checkout button, always search for a coupon code. Okay, and all you have to do is just go to Google, type NameCheap coupons, and click search, and you can find a lot of sites that have coupon codes. Okay, NameCheap coupon codes will give you a small discount. Okay, so you can save a little bit there. Okay, and I found this site. It's retailmenot.com. You just search NameCheap coupons and you get this. Definitely retailmenot will be at the very top. So go for this site and then search for the available coupon codes that fit. Okay, so you can get 70 cents off, 90 cents off, stuff like that. Okay, so just save you some money, and then apply. We hit apply, and then you will show the discount given. Okay, and then you click checkout. You're brought to the registration and billing page. Okay, so you can pay with PayPal or credit card, and I think they accept pretty much a wide range of payment options. So okay, that's all for this video. Okay, once you register your domain, you will need to change your DNS to your HostGator hosting account. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to register for a hosting account with HostGator. Okay, so check that video out.